إلهنا ما أعدلك مليك كل من ملك لبيك قد لبيت لك لبيك إن الحمد لله.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today I'm going to show you how to activate your e-wallet and how to tap up funds into your e-wallet, inshallah. So first of all, you have to make sure that your profile is verified from here, and you gotta make sure that your application is verified so that you will be able to tap up your e-wallet. First, you're gonna click on this icon and you will be directed to this screen, activate now, and this is your basically e-wallet card. Next, there is two methods to activate your e-wallet. One is with the credit card, the other one is with the bank transfer. Inshallah, I will show it to you right now. The fastest and easiest way to activate and top up the e-wallet is using the credit card. It is like a regular payment. The system is asking you how much you want to deposit. Let's say for the sake of this video, put 10 Saudi riyals. SAR means Saudi riyals, and agree. Once you continue, the system is going to ask you your billing information, your country, your first name, last name, state, regular address information. Then you're going to click on next, and this screen is going to open, which is a regular credit card purchasing screen. For now, this system is asking us to pay for 10 Saudi riyals. We're gonna put our card information, card number, expiry date, card holder's name, and the code at the back of the card. For now, we're gonna put this now, inshallah, and pay. Once you click on the pay, the system is going to charge you as $1 in your credit card statement, but in the system you're going to be reflected as a Saudi riyal. So now we're going to click on pay and see if this is in our account now. Now the system is paying and it says your e-wallet has been charged successfully, which means it is reflected in our account right now. So the fastest and easiest way to activate your e-wallet is to tap up with your credit card, even smaller amount just to charge to activate your e-wallet. If you are going to send money with the higher limits, for example, you are two people and required to pay, let's say $40,000 or 70,000 riyal into your e-wallet. So you don't have that much limit in your credit card. The better way is to send the money with the bank transfer, but keep in mind that the international transfer may require up to 10 days to appear in your e-wallet. So the money is supposed to go to the Saudi bank account, and then it is going to reflect in your e-wallet right there. You have to wait at least 4, 5, 6 days, up to 10 days to make sure it is in your e-wallet once you send the wire transfer. So these are the unique numbers that is created for you. Your bank name, Al Rajihi Bank, the IBAN number is created for your account specifically, and these are the SWIFT codes of the Al Rajihi Bank and address and the country of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Here is the important thing is that when you're withdrawing the necessary amount, please note that 2.3% processing fee and it is value-added taxes will be deducted from the total refunded. So for this, we have to be make sure that we are good to go. You should keep in mind that 2.3% will be, and also the value-added taxes, like total is going to be around 3%. When you ask refund, these are going to be deducted from your account, inshallah. So for the cash collection centers, we don't have it in the United States. Maybe some countries have it, but we don't have it in the United States. The best way and the fastest way is to pay with the credit card, but make sure that your credit card that you are going to top up does not have any foreign transaction fees. There are some cards that does not charge for that, so use those type of cards. And also you can top up with different cards until you reach the desired value You don't have to use one card, you can use multiple cards to deposit and top up e-wallet. So basically the second option is the bank transfer, but it takes long, and when you refund it is going to charge you almost 3% fees, processing fees, just to keep in mind, and it takes a couple months to be refunded. So inshallah, this is how you can top up your e-wallet and activate it. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.